Hobby with Jeannie's Designs. I'm just going to record a wallet that I found on that guy that Lori posted about. He's from Thailand. I just kind of came up with it. So I'm going to do a little zippered wallet, unlined. So I made this. This is 6, and I made it 4 inches tall, and then I rounded the corners with this rounding tool, and I used the 3-inch corner. And I have a little zipper that I did. The zipper is, let's see, 5 3/4 inches. And then I went down about 3/4 of an inch. And I'm going to just do my corners. And then I have a 1 inch by 1.5 inch piece of leather that I did skive this because this leather is pretty thick. So, let me get that down a little. So I'm just putting a tab on the end here. I was looking for something very quick that I could make today. So, and I didn't thread my needle. That's okay. This is going to be like a 10-minute video, if that. So, now you could line this very easily. His are not lined, so that's how I'm doing it. And I did I say that I skived this piece, but I also skived my pieces just on the edges. So that's all that is. And now we're going to just do a few little stitches here. To do our corners. Our 90-degree turns. And then we will cut off the excess and burn those ends. Okay. Let's do the other side. Let me get my zipper out of the way, my pole. You really just need a couple stitches there. That's all it takes. But if you're looking for something just very quick, this is a great little... I didn't get the measurements from him. I just came up with something. He doesn't speak English, and there's no translation for it, so I don't know what his are. It's probably pretty close. Okay, so there we have that. And then all he does, but you can see I did skive the edges, is we're going to put some tape on the wrong side. And I did, the other thing I did do is I measured in 5/8 of an inch on each side. Let me cut that off. That's a little too far. So, yeah. And I just marked it. 5/8 of an inch on each side. It's a tiny little mark. You want to have plenty of room for your turning and not get too bulky. Okay, so piece of date. Oh my goodness. It'll be a 20-minute video because I can't get my paper off my tape. It's okay. Okay, now. So I marked this on the right side too, and I'm just going to lay that there. Oh my gosh. And let's sew across the whole thing here. You could turn this. You could definitely turn it if you wanted to give it a little more finished look. You know, it's a little coin purse, little zippered pouch. You know, the other thing you could do is some of that self-adhesive wallet lining you could put in here. That would actually be perfect for this. Okay, so that's all we have so far on that side. And then on this side, let's take off the tape and we're going to match it. Just like that. And I'm going to start on this side. Get my zipper pull out of the way. This is leather I got from Peggy Sue also. So that's all I have. Now I'm gonna open my zipper a little bit. I'm gonna put right sides together. And if you go watch him, Lori posted the link. He doesn't even, I don't know that he even clips anything. He's probably done hundreds of these, be my guess. Maybe thousands, I don't know. Okay. Now we're gonna sew that together and then we're gonna turn it. I'm doing a 1/4 inch seam. I don't know what seam he used. It looks like a 1/4 inch, but I don't know. I'm just going slow around my corners. Now, I am going to just trim these curves just a little. Probably not necessary, but... And then I'm just trimming these up here a little. Before I turn it, I'm going to burn all my little threads. just open it up. And turn it. And we're done. I'm not sure this video is even 10 minutes. Oh my gosh. So the other thing he does, and I'm going to do it too, is I'm just going to pound my leather a little bit. You don't want to overpound it, but that is it. It's an unlined, but like I said, you could put some wallet lining in there. And I mean, look how long that did. It took me to cut it out and skive it maybe 5 minutes. And then to make it less than 5 minutes. I think we've been alive 11 minutes. So 15 minutes. And it doesn't have to be leather. You could do vinyl. You could do waterproof canvas. So it ends up being about 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Isn't that the cutest little thing? I didn't put a tag on it, but I think if I make more, I'll put a tag on. Cute as a bug in a rug. I really like it. That's it. A simple little zippered pouch, leather, raw edge inside, but like I said, you could put some of that wallet lining in there and make it look finished. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're having a great Sunday. It's football day in America. Just saying.